If you're working on a recipe book or planning to publish a cookbook, I think you'll like this template pack. I put together a recipe book author bundle that helps you create a polished brand without spending hours designing everything from scratch. You can simply edit the templates in Canva and make them your own. Inside the bundle, you'll find launch announcement graphics, ingredient spotlight designs, recipe feature layouts, promotional posts, and other ready-to-use templates that make marketing your cookbook a lot easier. Whether you're self-publishing your first recipe book or you've already released a few, having matching visuals can make your brand look much more professional and consistent. The best part is that you don't need advanced design skills. Just swap the text, replace the photos with your own recipes, adjust the colors if you want, and you're ready to go. I created this pack for cookbook authors, food bloggers, and anyone who wants to promote their recipes without starting from a blank page every time. If that sounds useful, check it out and see if it's a good fit for your next project. Hopefully it saves you a lot of time and lets you focus on what really matters, creating great recipes.